This is Dylan Hammock. This is my week 1 map study. The first thing that they asked us to do on this was to highlight Aram and Mesopotamia, which you can see on the map. Then they asked us to highlight certain cities, first starting with Ur, then going on to Haran, then to Shechem, Bethel, and then Beer-shebib. After that, they asked us to highlight 2 rivers, the first Tigris, and then Euphrates. Then they asked us to track the route that Abraham took. You can see this in my green pin. Starts at Ur and it makes its way up the Euphrates until it gets to Haran. Once he gets to Haran, he goes to Shechem, but he goes along to Damascus first, and then he stays west of Rahab down to Shechem, and then he goes to passes Beer-shebib near Kiram, and then near Kadesh, and then he enters the Nile Delta, which is over here. And then he decided to go back to Canaan, so we went ahead and drew a parallel line back to Canaan. That's the end of his journey. The next thing they asked us to do was to write down the different trades that were going around. The first one is the Tarshish. They had silver, iron, lead, and that's it, my bad. The next one was the Javan, who are right here. They had slaves and bronze vessels. The next one is the Togarm, which are right here. They're the horses and the mules. After that, they had Rhodes and Island, which is right here. Rhodes is right there. They had ivory and ebony. The next was Aram, which is right here above actually the word Aram. It's right here. I had to draw a little line. That's precious stones, embroideries, and purple linen. The next after that is Israel and Judah, which is right over here. Wheat, honey, oil, and balm is what they were trading. Then we went over to Damascus, which was trading wine and wool. Then we went to Dedan, which was saddles and blankets. Then we went to Kedar, which was lambs, goats, and rams. Then we went to Sheba and Raman, which is down here, who gave spices, precious stones, and gold. They're at the very bottom of the map. After that, we had Asher and All Media, which is over here, and they traded violet cloth, embroideries, and carpet. And I think I forgot to mention this one. Meshek is right here, and they did slaves and bronze statues. What's important about this is that you can see all around the map all these trades were going on, and the center point is actually Tyre. That's why they asked us to circle in blue and put some arrows towards it to kind of indicate that all the trades, this was the center point of all the trades. So if you wanted to get trades, this is where you went. After that, they asked us to highlight Assyria right here and then square it off in blue. And that was the last thing that they asked us to do on this map. Thank you so much.